Good morning, everyone. You're all warmly welcome to Joshua Online Math class. In our class today, we'll be talking about how we change percentages towards to fraction. Of course, what are percentage? When you hear the word percentage, percentages are kind of fractions that their denominator is 100. Their denominator is what is 100. Under this topic, we'll be doing different things. So I will encourage you to please watch this video from beginning to the end so that you see how we change percentages to fraction, and watch out for the subsequent videos that we'll be uploading under this topic. So how do we do this? We have three questions on the board today that we'll be using to show how we change percentages to fraction. Like this said, express this percentage as fractions in their lowest terms. How do we do that? It's very simple. It's very simple. It's not hard at all. It's very simple. How do we do that? So let's take the very first one now. 75%. Here is 75%. So this is the same thing as saying what 75 over what? Over 100. Now the question says we should express as fraction in their lowest term. So what do we do here? We want to divide. Look for something that can divide both of them. Call their common factor. Okay? So looking at the remember from our divisibility rule, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. So that means that 5 is their common factor. 5 can divide them. So 5 in 10 is what? Is 2. 5 in this is what? Is 0. 5 in 7 is what? Is 1. Remainder 2. 5 in 25 is what? Is 5. That is what? 15 over 20. Looking at them again, 5 can still divide. 5 in 20 is what? Is 4. 5 in 15 is 3. Therefore, our answer is what? 3 over 4. So we have successfully changed this fraction, this percentage, 75% to what? To fraction in its lowest term. This is exactly what the question requires us to do. It's not difficult, very simple. We have the next one again. 7 whole number 1 over 2%. 7 whole number 1 over 2%. Now, this is also the same. When you see it in this form, in fraction like this, in a mixed fraction like this, I encourage you, instead of using your division sign as this, see what I'm going to do here. So this is the same thing as saying 7 whole number 1 over 2 divided by what? By 100. It's still the same as this. But there's a reason why I'm doing this. You'll soon find out. So what do we do now? We change this mixed fraction to what? To an improper fraction. How do we do that? We say 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1, 15 over what? Over 2 divided by 100. This thing as what? 100 over 1. Okay? Now, this is the same thing as saying 15 over 2. Now, remove the division sign, change it to multiplication. This goes up, then the 100 comes down. Okay? So the denominator becomes the numerator, while the numerator becomes the denominator. So that is 1 over what? Over 100. That is it. So what do we do here? We can easily do what? Divide straight off from here. 5 can divide. Okay, we can divide across like this by saying 5 here. 5 here is what? Is 3, and 5 here is what? Is 20. It's 20. 5 here is what? 20. 5 here is 3. So this equals to what? So this equals to, you now multiply 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 20 is what? Is 40. That is our answer. So we have successfully reduced 7 whole number 1 over 2% to fraction in its what? In its lowest term as what? 3 over what? Over 40. Okay, now we have the next one again, 66%. 66 whole number 2 over 3%. Again, we'll do what we did here. Okay, so this is what? This is the same as saying 66 whole number 2 over 3 divided by 100. Okay, it's good you write it like so that it will be easier for us to do or to change the division to multiplication and then divide. That is why it's important to write it like this, because we are having a fraction here. But if we are not having a fraction like in example 1, what do you do? Just do it like this, okay? Just put it, express it like this. Denominator will be numerator by denominator in what? In 100. So this again we change it to a proper fraction. 3 times 66. 3 times 66 is what? Let's quickly run it here so that you understand. Okay, 3 times 6 is what? We have 18. We write that 8 carry 1. 3 times 6 is 18 again plus 1, 19. Okay, are you following now? Now plus the 2. So this plus that will give us what? 200. That will 200 over what? Over 3 divided by what? 100. This is as 100 over 1. Is that clear? So what do we do now? We change the division to multiplication. That will be what? 200 over what? Over 3 times 1 over 100. So this equals to what you multiply now. Okay, so if you multiply this, 200 times 1 is what? Is 200 over 3 times 100 is what? Is 300. Okay, so what do you do? 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So this gives us what? 2 over 3, and that is our answer. We have successfully change this percentage to what? To a fraction in its lowest term. So it's not difficult at all, it's very, very simple. So if you are taking any exam and you are asked to change the percentage to fraction in its lowest term, this is exactly what is expected of us. Just do it like this, it's very simple. Just express it like this and then you get your answer. If you have enjoyed what you have watched, we encourage you to please share this video with your friends and family in all your social network. And if you have not subscribed, subscription is free. Just click on the subscription button and turn on your notification button so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.